Here are the mistakes na nagawa ko dun sa first client ko as someone who started from scratch at walang experience talaga, and hinara ako ng first client ng $18 per hour. First, hindi ako nag-market research. As a social media manager, ang alam ko lang talaga dun is mag-edit. And my jobs are doing the editing, the posting, the engagement, the story. Ayun lang siya. Hindi talaga ako nag-create ng content idea dun sa client na yun kasi si client ang nagbibigay sa akin ng content idea. Bago pa lang din kasi si client sa business kaya hindi namin talaga alam. So, we figure things out na lang din talaga sa social media before. And that's the first mistake, and a huge mistake talaga is we did not do the market research. We don't know what's happening and blah, 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 blah. The second mistake is I use template when editing. Template sa Canva, template sa CapCut. As someone who started from scratch at hindi talaga marunong sa editing, gumagamit ako ng Canva templates at gumagamit ako ng CapCut templates. And nalaman siya ni client na, madali lang pala mag-edit sa Canva, madali lang pala mag-edit sa CapCut. Kaya instead of 10 hours, ako per week, ginawa niya 6 hours per week. And that is really a mistake. Kaya doon ko din na-realize na mali pala mag-charge ng hourly. Kasi, syempre, may capacity si na client na bawasan yung hours kasi nakadepende siya sa deliverables mo. Pero, ang nangyari kasi, nung nalaman lang ni client na ganito mag-edit, pero the same deliverables pa din ha, ako pa din yung nag-edit. It's just that, nabawasan lang yung hourly per week. Disadvantage talaga ang hourly. Hindi ko talaga siya recommended. Though, yes, Canva templates nga lang. Pero syempre, diba, ang laki ng difference. The third mistake that I did, I said yes to everything, even weekend. Sobra, mistake talaga siya dahil natitake advantage. Though, I am not sure if I am doing everything right that time. Kasi nga, wala akong experience. Pero, syempre tayo naman, especially mga walang experience as unang client, we can do everything na sasabihin ni client, diba? Who will say no to that client if first client mo siya? Mali ko lang din talaga is every weekend, kahit weekend, walang pahinga, kahit lampas na sa oras, kahit hindi na siya part ng job ko as social media manager, ginagawa ko pa din. And dun ko natutunan paano mag-set ng boundary at paano mag-onboard ng client in a right way para hindi tayo ma-take advantage. It's an honest mistake and I love those mistakes kasi nga, doon ako natuto.